Webster Police main phone.
Webster Police Channel 1.
You guys able to move that jack?
Yeah, I don't have a jack.
Sir? Yeah. Sir, you with me? Sir? Sir? Where's the jack? Somebody go inside and grab a fucking jack.
I told him give me the jack.
Do you know how to use this fucking thing?
I told him to give me the jack.
Sir, hang on. Do you got a jack? Do you know somebody has a jack?
Shit, no.
Hey, we need a jack out here now!
It's all seems like that pick up.
They're working on getting us a jack. He's not responsive.
Not responsive?
No.
Going to control, not
Even if we lift it up, it's just gonna fall back down on him. Hey, can you guys try and lift it? I'll pull him.
I'll call 1-3-10 and I say give me the jack.
trap.
Units responding to 107 East Main Street. The person is not responsive.
Sir!
Trapped under the vehicle.
Hey, it's the police. Can you hear me? Can you move your fingers if you can hear me? Anyone got a block? I don't want this to roll. Do you have a block? So I don't want this to roll when we lift it. A block?
Block up the parking lot this side.
Block right down the back of my truck.
Yeah, please, thank you.
Does he work here or? No. Okay. That's my brother-in-law. He called me to come over here. Come over here. So I came to him. He wasn't.
He hasn't been responding. They're jacking us up right now, and I got a block on it.
He looks discovered.
You want me to yank him?
If we can pull him out, yes. That's easy. That's easy. Let him.
Yeah.
Units walking around.
How was the vehicle lifted?
He had a little chunky jack over there. There's a, don't touch it, please. There's like a little thing, and it looks like when it slipped and rolled.